Yes.
Oh no.
Oh, she's dead.
Two little puppies.
Clover is better at this shit. Why can't we tell Gabby gets fully grown? Won't be scared all the time.
Yeah. How big is she supposed to get?
Her mom's about 6 pounds.
It'd be about, yeah, they're about the same size.
Oh, good one, Clover.
Gabby.
Lay down.
What happened? Where'd she go?
Oh shit. From above. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
So cute.
Aha. That's where you went. What?
You're a little bunny. You can't come over here. She's like, I know you got stubby legs. Clover's used to exploiting that weakness since my brother's dog is a dachshund, like.
Oh yeah.
Cause she would chase Clover under couches and stuff and like scare, cause you know dachshund got a big mouth and everything. But then Clover would just jump on something high and be like, stubby legs.